Okay, so very good morning, dear student. Today our present perfect continuous tense. So as we already discussed over the constructions of the present perfect continuous tense, let's discuss over the examples of the present perfect continuous tense. Let's see what it is. So first I am going to discuss over the positive sentence of present perfect continuous tense. Let's see what is the construction of the present perfect continuous tense. So as I already told you about how to identify the present perfect continuous tense and what is the characteristics of the present perfect continuous tense. So let's see what is the construction first, and then we will take one or more than one examples, and then we will understand what it is. The positive sentence, positive sentence, right? So what it is, it will take subject first, then has or have, plus it will take be, plus fourth form of the verb. We all know what is fourth form of the verb, that means verb plus ing, plus object, plus since or for, and we all know that where we use since and where we use for. When it comes to point of time, this will take since, and when it comes to period of time, this will take for, right? So subject plus has or have depend on the subject. If subject is singular, this will take has. If subject is plural, this will take have, plus been, plus verb plus ing, plus object, plus since or for according to point of time or period of time, plus what it will take? Time. It will take time. What it is, right? Because time is the main characteristic of the present perfect continuous tense. Let's take first example. One example. We all know that what is the characteristic of present perfect continuous tense? The time starts in past tense, and when we are talking about the tense, the time is continue, right? So मैं 2020 से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. So let's focus. All I want to tell you, when there is a sentence, there is a given sentence, right? So look the back side of the sentence, end side of the sentence. This will decide time. What is the time when work is going on? Right here, this is whom. That means this is the present tense. Ja raha, I mean continuous tense. Work is continue, and there is a time is given. That means, you can write here 2019, right? So we started living here right from 2019, and now work is on and on and on, right? So let's see. I mean, this proves that this tense is a present perfect continuous tense. So it will take subject first. What is the subject? Who is the doer of the verb? मैं, I, right? So it will take I. What is subject? I, and this will decide. This will take has or have. ये decide करेगा कि ये has लेगा या have लेगा, right? So we all know that I always take have. I always take have. So I have, and when will come. Why? Just because we cannot write fourth form of the verb without be form of the verb. That's why we use be here. And I have been. So what is the work is going on here? कौन सा काम हो रहा है? स्कूल जाने का काम हो रहा है. जाने का काम हो रहा है, right? जाने का. So fourth form of the verb. First form of the verb is go. Second form went. Third form is gone. Fourth form is verb plus ing means going. And fifth form of the verb is go plus s or es. That means goes, right? So we will use fourth form of the verb plus ing. So I have been going.
मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन।
I have been going.
नहीं, सुन लो पहले बीइंग इन छोड़ो, छोटा सा क्वेश्चन सुन लो। हुआ से यहाँ का है
So I have been going. What is the object? किस चीज पे काम हो रहा है? कहाँ पे? School, right? I have been going school. Now decide. This is point of time or period of time? 2019 period of time है और point of time है. Because this is 100% known thing. 2019 exact time we know. हम exact time जाके 2019 से हो रहा है. That's why we can say this is the point of time. This is the point of time. And point of time always takes since. So I have been going to school. It will take since just because 2019 is the point of time. If it had been period of time, here would have been for. I have been going to school since 2019. 2019, right? So this is the first sentence. This is the positive sentence. You can see clearly, right? I have been going to school since 2019. So this is the positive form of the sentence. I hope you understand that. So let's see the next construction, negative sentence, right? What is the negative sentence? There is a slight difference between between positive sentence and negative sentence. We use not right before the main verb, right? So let's see what it is. Negative sentence. Negative sentence. Right? Let's the construction of this sentence. So it will take subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus fourth form of the verb, that means verb plus ing, plus object plus since or for plus time, right? So this is the negative sentence. Let's see. Let's take an example. कुत्ता 2 घंटे से भौंक रहा है. So you need to understand. First of all, there is has, that means present. Raha, that means continuous. There is time given. That's why we can say this is the present perfect continuous tense. So कुत्ता 2 घंटे से नहीं भौंक रहा है, exactly नहीं भौंक रहा है, right? And there is the word नहीं. That's why we can say this is the negative form of the present perfect continuous tense. So what is the subject here? Subject is dog. So dog always will take has. Dog के साथ क्या आएगा? Has आएगा. क्यों? Why? Just because this is the singular form of the subject. So dog plus has plus not plus been. Follow the construction, right? The dog has not been. काम कौन सा हो रहा है? भौंकने का काम हो रहा है, right? काम कौन सा हो रहा है? भौंकने का, barking, right? So we will use fourth form of the verb. Be bark plus ing, barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G, barking, right? And now decide this will take since or for. Now decide this will take since or for. Just because when we are talking over घंटा or, तो हम कोई भी 2 घंटे हो सकते हैं. We are not sure. हम सिर्फ एक पीरियड की बात कर रहे हैं कि 2 घंटे के एक पीरियड की बात कर रहे हैं, पॉइंट की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. So this will take for, right? This will take for. So dog has not been barking for 2 hours. 2 hours. So guys, this is the negative form of the sentence. I hope you understand, and we will make third form of this video, right? And stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.